YouTube, it is SJ and I'm back with another blazer unboxing, and this time if you've read the title, which is up there, you will know that these are the blazer edge, but we're going to do it properly. But if you haven't read the title, can you guess what they are? Because I like to match my nails to my sneakers, as some of you guys have noticed out there. But we're going to do this the proper way. Oh, ow! Hit my chin on the microphone. But these are the Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid Edge L. What does the L stand for? I don't know. And the code is DA2189100, and these are a UK 10, so not my size, not Mr. B size, which makes them a US 11, and we have been very kindly lent these by Decade. Thank you. So these are going back after we've done this unboxing, which is a bit of a shame. They are really, really nice because I have had a sneak peek, but I'm putting them out. Putting them out, putting them out, putting them out, putting them out. Look at these. Just need to get the other one out. I've been told to lift that up. Sorry. I'm not being very good, am I? Not being very good. I'm just trying to be really, really careful because, as I said, these are going back. But yes, thank you, Mr. B. These are super, super nice. Now, the Blazer Edge launched last January, and there were like 3 colorways, I think, from memory in the pack. Maybe 2 and a colour came later on in the year. I don't know. I can't remember. Mr. B has a pair. I didn't go for a pair because I just couldn't get on board with the canvas. I went for the blazer. I went for the Bruin Edge instead. I can't talk. But these are super, super nice. Now, the reason why I like these is because of the leather. Now, look, let me zoom in on that. Look at that nice, bright white, tumbled leather. The leather on these reminds me of the Weekend pair that Mr. B has from a while back. It's that kind of tumbled soft leather, and you can't go wrong with that Viotech purple. It's just so nice. So let's have a look at the detail. You've got here, sorry, I can't do this back to front. Let's go up to this camera actually. So you've got the, there we go, we're in focus. You've got the deconstructed loose stitching of the swoosh. Then there we go. Then you've got the panel at the front in that Viotech. Then the sort of off-white sail colour in suede, and that's a really nice suede. Now, if you tilt, neither of us can do it. We used to stay. There you go. So you can see that you've actually got the swoosh on the front there, and it sort of wraps around. That colour just looks so, so nice on these. Then I'm just going to flip it round. Then on the inside you've got the solid swoosh in that lovely Viotech suede, and then on the back you've got Nike. Now on the inside you've got the double tongue. Can we go in? There we go. So you've got the double tongue there. So you've got the Nike SB Dunk Low tongue and the Nike SB Blazer tongue. I really, really like the orange contrast against the purple of that second tongue, and at the bottom you can just see it showing through there on the laces. Now these come with white laces. Let's go back to the middle. They come laced with the white, but there are alternate laces. No lace bag, but they're that lovely Viotech colour. I think I would go with those actually. I think orange laces, that orange would have looked epic, would have really banged in these. Now the one reason, apart from the other blazer edges being in canvas, the other reason why I didn't get a pair is because they use this sort of, I don't know if you can see it, like this it's almost like a terry toweling on the inside, and this is the material that's used on my orange label monochrome blazers, which I absolutely love. But that just gets really dirty quickly. However, if I was to buy a pair of these, and I haven't got them in my size at Decade, I think they've got them in a 7, 8, 9, 10, I think. If I was to get a pair of these, they would very much replace my red and white vintage Blazer 77s, which I think you've all seen them. They're pretty disgusting, to be honest. So I really, really like this colourway. They're nice. Now there's quite a few. Well, I say there's quite a few. What am I talking about? There's also the black and the pink blazer edge coming out as well. I think if you haven't listened to it, we did a podcast yesterday where we talk about these and the black and pink pair. Can't talk. And you'll notice that they're being dropped in several retailers, not just skate stores, which is a bit weird. Got to be honest, a bit weird there. So if you are looking at getting a pair of these, have a look at your local skate stores first, because you know those guys need their love, need big love at the moment. But yeah, these are really, really nice. I haven't really got much else to say.
Well, I was going to say, SJ, obviously you scorned the blazer edge last year. You threw all kinds of shade at it.
I didn't scorn it.
You threw shade.
I didn't throw shade at it.
And now, like, you're changing your mind.
It's because I've swapped out the materials. Like, I really quite like the tan and the sort of pinky pair that are also out at the moment. I know a couple of you in our community have got those. They're really, really nice. It's because I've changed the materials. They've switched up the canvas for the leather, and it's just made a big difference to the sneaker, in my opinion. The one thing I will say is, on sizing with blazers at the moment, I have found the lows to be a little bit tight. So I've been wearing a 6.5, whereas on the mids and the highs, I can quite happily stick with a 6, which is a bit weird. So I don't know what's going on there with sizing, but I've had my Kevin Bradley Hells on quite a lot recently, and they're a 6 and they fit me absolutely perfectly. So yeah, super, super nice, clean blazer. Will you be adding these to your collection, Blazing Squad people out there? Or are you going to get the black and pink? Or are you just going to give them a miss? There are a lot of very, very nice blazers coming this year. It's going to be like tough deciding what to go for and what not to go for. But yeah, these are really, really nice. Again, massive shout out to Greg at Decade for letting us have a quick sneaky peek at these. Let us know your thoughts on these in the comments below. Are you all in on these? Do you like the edge? Do you not like the edge? Let us know. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that old like, subscribe, all that malarkey, and come along and join us on Sneaker Stream Sundays, which is at 8 p.m. here in the UK, 12 p.m. on the West Coast, 3 p.m. on the East Coast, where we talk about sneakers, what's in the news, and looking at what you've been wearing on your feet on Instagram. And on that note, I am over and out, but please go and check out one of our other videos somewhere around here, which will probably be another Blaze video.